Hey there, future e-commerce moguls, ready to dive into the world of online selling and make your mark? Jimmy Fallon here, your tech-savvy pal from late night TV, bringing you the latest scoop on how to conquer the e-commerce world. Ever dream of launching your own online store? 2 words, Wix and Ebay. These platforms are your gateway to online selling glory. They're like the Simon and Garfunkel of e-commerce, except instead of beautiful harmonies, they bring you the sweet sound of ringing cash registers. Cha-ching! Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. The potential for success is huge. Both platforms offer unique ways to sell your products and build your brand. Whether you want a sleek, professional site or a bustling marketplace, they've got you covered. It's like choosing between a custom-built mansion or a bustling marketplace. Each has its own charm and advantages. Both have their perks, right? It all depends on what you're looking for in your e-commerce journey. Wix gives you the tools to build a stunning website that screams you. Customizable templates, easy-to-use features, and a professional look. eBay, on the other hand, is like the world's biggest online flea market, perfect for reaching a massive audience. It's a treasure trove of opportunities. So, how do you choose the right platform for your business? It can be a tough decision, but don't worry. Don't worry, my friend. I'm here to break it down for you. We'll look at the key features, benefits, and what each platform excels at. We'll explore the ins and outs of Wix and eBay, compare their strengths and weaknesses, and help you make the right decision for your entrepreneurial journey. Knowledge is power. Get ready to unleash your inner business tycoon. The world of e-commerce awaits, and it's time for you to shine. First up, let's talk Wix. Imagine this, a website so slick, so professional, it would make even the pickiest web designer jealous. It's like having a digital masterpiece at your fingertips. That's Wix in a nutshell. It's all about making web design accessible and fun. With its drag and drop editor, even your grandma could build a website. No offense, grandma. Seriously, it's that intuitive and user-friendly. But seriously, Wix makes it crazy easy to create a website that reflects your brand's unique personality. You can customize every little detail to make it truly yours. And here's a fun fact. Over 200 million people trust Wix for their websites. That's a massive community of creators and entrepreneurs. That's like the entire population of Brazil rocking out to your online store. Imagine the potential reach and impact. Wix gives you all the tools you need to succeed. Customizable templates, secure payment gateways, and so much more. And let's not forget the SEO tools to help customers find you on Google. It's like having a built-in marketing team. It's like having a whole team of web developers at your fingertips, without the hefty price tag. But wait, there's more. The value you get is simply unmatched. Wix also offers a bunch of cool features like email marketing, social media integration, and analytics to track your success. And even the ability to create a custom domain name. It's all about giving you the tools to stand out. It's like having your own personal assistant, but instead of fetching your coffee, it's helping you build a thriving online empire. With Wix, the possibilities are endless. Now let's hop over to the wonderful world of eBay, where the possibilities are endless. Picture this, millions of buyers all hungry for unique products and amazing deals, browsing day and night. That's eBay's bread and butter, a treasure trove of items waiting to be discovered. It's like a giant online flea market where you can sell anything from vintage sneakers to handmade jewelry and everything in between. And the best part? Setting up shop is easier than assembling IKEA furniture. Well, almost. You can get started in just a few simple steps. With eBay, you don't need to worry about building a website or designing fancy marketing campaigns. The platform does the heavy lifting for you. You just list your product, set your price, and watch the bids roll in. It's that simple. Plus, eBay has a built-in audience of millions of active buyers, so you don't have to work as hard to get your products in front of potential customers. It's like having a ready-made customer base. But here's the catch, eBay is a crowded marketplace. You'll be competing with other sellers, many of whom are seasoned pros with years of experience. You'll need to get creative with your listings, offer competitive prices, and provide top-notch customer service to stand out from the crowd. It's like being a contestant on The Voice, but instead of singing your heart out, you're trying to win over customers with irresistible deals and unique products. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? So who wins this e-commerce showdown? It's closer than you think. Your business, your platform, the final verdict, drum roll please.